Hello, everybody. So this is the podcast for, as you can see, December 11th. First thing I need to do with you is go back and review a type of problem you guys did back in early November. It says, write the equation of a line, and again, when they say that, they're looking for your answer to look like this. They didn't state the format. You want it in slope-intercept form. Okay. That goes through this point, so that's an x and a y, and has a slope of -3. So what you guys did when you first learned it is you filled in everything but the b because you don't know the b. You know the x, you know the y, and you know the m. So the y is 3, the m is -3, times, because there's the times there, 1 plus b. So 3 is equal to -3 plus b. Add the 3 to the other side, you're solving for b. 6 is equal to b. So your final answer is y is equal to, so I'm writing this format, y is equal to, your slope was -3, x, and you found b is 6. There's your answer. Okay? A slight twist on the type of problems that you guys are going to have for today. They're going to give you the point, but they aren't giving you the slope. And they're making some reference to it being parallel or perpendicular. So the first thing you have to do is find the slope of this line. What is the slope that they're referencing? So I'm going to, oops, I don't know why I wrote 3. You start by solving for y to put it in slope-intercept form so you can read the slope out of it. Your m is what? So I'm going to cut 2x off of both sides. So I have 3y is equal to -2x plus 18. Then I'm going to divide by 3. And so you get y is equal to -2/3 x plus 6. So the slope of the line that you're told is -2/3. That's the line you're told. Don't use it yet because you have to pull out the information that they tell you. In this case, they say it's perpendicular. So the perpendicular slope is going to be the opposite sign and the reciprocal. That's the slope that you want to use with this point 6, 1. Now it's just like this problem here. You know the slope and you know a point. Find the equation. So you go, I want this, I know the x and y, and I know the slope. So 1 is equal to 3/2 times your x value plus b. The 2 reduces with the 6 and leaves you 3. So I have 1 is equal to 9 plus b. Subtract the 9 from both sides, and you get y is equal, -8 is equal to b. So you know the slope is 3/2, and your b is -8. You want this format, so you fill that information into it. Y is equal to 3/2 x minus 8. That is the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the one that you're told and goes through that point. Okay? Write an equation line through that point that is parallel to this line. So the first thing you do is you have to solve for y, and you do that by adding or subtracting x's to the other side. Divide any coefficients out that are on the y, and you get y is equal to +5/4 x minus 9. So the slope of what you're told is 5/4. You want the equation line that's parallel, so the parallel slope is going to be the same. Once you identify that, don't use anything from this anymore. You are looking for this with this information. So you fill in the y, you fill in the slope, times the 8, fill in the x, plus b, it's over 1. The 4 goes into itself once, and the 8 twice. So 2 is equal to 10 plus b. Subtract the 10 from both sides, and you get -8 is b. So your final answer is y is equal to 5/4 x minus 8. That's your answer. These are the two assignments that you guys have. They're both the same. Rather than doing one big assignment, we're breaking it into two smaller ones. Okay? Thank you for your time. Have yourself a great one.